What if every time you sneezed, you swapped places with a random person on Earth? 1 second you're in bed, the next you're 30,000 feet in the air because you swapped with a pilot. Hope you know how to land. But here's the glitch. What happens if you sneeze at the exact same time as someone else? You end up in a body loop where you're stuck switching back and forth every 5 seconds. It's total biological ping pong. Allergy season would be a global refugee crisis. You'd wake up as a billionaire and go to sleep as a goat herder. Would you risk the sneeze or wear a nose clip forever? Tag someone with allergies.